today's video, we are going to do a teardown and see what's inside a wet grinder. For this purpose, I have chosen Kent's 150 watts wet grinder, which I've been personally using for the last 2.5 years. And it's been a great machine. We use it for each and every day for various purposes, for making the dough, for making the batter, but it hasn't broken down yet. So we'll see what are the great points in its design and how it can be further improved. And if you find this video informative and educational, do consider subscribing to my channel. That will help me post more videos, and I'll be posting a complete review of this model in the upcoming weeks. So stay tuned for that. Let's do this.